Good morning, Alex. Breakfast is ready.
Thank you, honey. It smells amazing.
Oh no! Emma, come quickly! The oil is on fire!
Fire! Alex, don't stay here. Go outside right now.
Come with me, Emma. Let's go! We are safe here. Do not breathe the smoke, Emma.
Yes. We must stay outside. Never go back inside.
I am calling 911 now. The house is on fire.
Good. We are outside. We are safe from the fire. Look, the firefighters are here.
We are safe because we followed the safety rules. Never put water on an oil fire. Water makes a big explosion.
Cover the pan with a lid.
Or use a small fire extinguisher.
The kitchen is a mess, but we are safe.
You're right. Clothes and walls can be replaced.
Let's clean this mess together, Emma.
Yes. Teamwork makes the job easier.
Now we have a new smoke detector to keep us safe.
Perfect. Our home is safe again. Thank you, Alex.